yeah.
Missy. Minia, Obra Quentu Yao. Semina na my uncle and Yasha Dayon. Your penny, Mammy. Semina me Pada. Marcia Camera. Namsa, Chini.
Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini Papa Bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini Papa Bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane. Sini Papa Bena upe biasha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Baby Asha. Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini Papa Bena upe biasha. Amansane.
Right, I was your mamo at Johnny and Wakwaba, and eda a journal, of course. My non Nivias in an do Jada say ya. Now, in the week, we are can say Jada there. In fact, do Jada Yana Edding, and so I will say Chidian Podiaco, Eddie Benti, sorry, Quay Juma said, Sabit me, Akoya no nay, Juana do not call Juma upon Omoko Fiora Subusua, Omo Juma, yes, you are Nasi. Kumawood TV live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Transylvanian yet to me at the Encomo. Never be a course of my gun, in fact, it will be an area. Papa, you know, a home Encomo, Binyam, not yet to me at the William said, and we are seeing that they see all a day set aside to look at special issue a concern to human health and no a issue. The International Water Day. Wono insuo nya binom bia wono na etisɛn unya insuo no mo na insuo na wono no potable drinking water ana sɛ onem mo nyina na sabi aka bo mu a mo no insuo ye kwa mizuko kan ya ekoyi nika wo Eastern region no ebenyamre na yetumi de ho nkomo bia nte wonka bia wo bia no insuo ho nsɛm te sɛn wo ho droben no insuo fam de ba wo fi ana sɛ for some time now you are facing challenges. Binyamre na etumi edi nkobonum say enano efiada and members of parliament, both the minority and majority, etumi ehweye na omo pass 2021 budget no omo etumi apase e de amama ni omo approve sorry omo approve budget no etumi e de ama we know for the first time na anotin akoye say voice vote and akoye ni kowiati no na e wo say head count to swaba ama donkuma no omunya 134 na don go to aba ne bi say obi nya yi bi won so na covid-19 na achi wo mo nti anei abatwa anase yen yakon homasika ehun komo a ebedie no dom kuma won ase bedwom de omo anya 2021 akomasika no yemfa anya adwuma memum dododo no na gitum a miensa na bodom kuma no eso ebinyamre na yatumi adi ho enkomo energy sector recovery levy eba pollution and society insurance levy eba, and then we have this 5% levy back flat levy and also eba and home ko ebinyamre na yatumi adi obra kojo okon kroma minister in charge of information enra oni edi nkomo no chire mu se o mike ye kasa ye se o inso e no ne kwa ene kane ampa ne se amaya hodo go ha o masusu se wo se ye de to akra akra to man for no so se de be ya covid-19 birim no ebetumi e de aboye ho ban eno man Ghana so aso mu bi a ye se de be o man no ebetumi ehunu ye ho ano na GDP no nanke ye ba say 11%. A percent close to gap no na ebia 2022 ni ababe 9 na ebia 2023 ababe bia 7 na fi be 2024 hono na etumi abachi eno ene ye se betumi agina na so esika semu eno nti ena eto akra wase on ato so no ye nyina etumi tua ne boa ma oman no esa etumi gina na so bi benyamre na ye di ho enkomo budget no nsemben ena na e kan fa kuafo ho, especially cocoa farmers. For some time now cocoa farmers have been complaining, they have been crying. So I'm kind of and they say cocoa, you know, beans no, amaton, and my cocoa catch for no, and so and who sika was there back now. It's really short, mano, Sicano and ma. And yes, I see to Sicano. Now budget way, never stop cocoa for now, saying and a home como a city. Benyamre now yet to me at the and common so when say you know you offer for war first year SHS no. SHS reporting on Thursday the 18th of this month and day for no so and so reporting na the beto dwa na ano hye yenu anoma abomuti pese Rastafarians na call Achimota and after case na atechefo a wo ho and headmasters here said there be enyi ho Ghana Education Service over the weekend at so many pa say ni yes anjo mano back to the school, but I want to say Achimota I chair company for no extra kata de maomo said they can't accept their children all because they are Rastafarians. Delaying if the Ghana Education Service has directed that they should be called back to school, they expect the school to write back to them. Say nei Monsan Emre School now and National Association of Graduate Teachers. The Trinity Ekana Nats and then before Eddie Atuja said in fact as some no or more papa say Shenimua GSA no and send fata na say GS and sign and resend decision one omo nagras for they will join their colleagues omo Achimota school na say demonstration no say sit down strike no mo be you omo be here because they think say ehun hia say massa kola no etumi akosku benyamre na ye de hon komo. What is your take on that? Religion any education saying NOC sifa no some of no omo twa percent no yes ye mo nko school no ombekwa iso mtwe butrenyu no etumi atugu enam we so kwa kwen se mebre e de aba ye nuanom a omugu veil a omyen kremofo se okosanto a kremoni a otumi gu veil no e was set veil no oyi because there is saying that when you go to Rome definitely you have to do what Romans do enti enei directives are eba no amanfo na se kasa mebre omo SD schools se o sha asomade na akura school dem ho a ana ya admit school mu a was said we was na sankola no so no awofo bi ase kasa said ne omomoma ezo asosomade e dey call SD schools no emu the GS there is somebody aba na afi so wa wo hwe me nei on my Ghana constitution e my kwan so bia on the right no how can we bring the two together I bet me an so say akola bia no mre na yetumi adi nkomo e wo ho wonu say nei Ghana Health Service e dey atudwa e say COVID-19 yare no egusua ekoso yewo health workers via omo any areas e sha say vaccines no na so no omo frontline workers into mu nyina no enche panel na ebewu mba the weekend and His Excellency the Vice President of our Republic Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia launch yede tudwa say enche kra oman Ghana ye beye population census ye be kan nyina efiedu bia no ene yede kan oman for and then there's a speculation. Yeah, 35 million. This is 31 million. This is 32 million. na eno na Professor Samuel Kobna enim ono na repanika sia oda dwumade ya bekoso ya no na ode atudwa echire mu ese in fact so we wadwen so me yankan obi a ebetumi ajelu so be part of this exercise e ba kan Ghana fo nyina nti o se kan wo ye hu dodo na aban no policies bi a watumi ai over the weekend no so no empire bokase e ko so e di etia LGBTQ+ legislation for my Ghana muzami for na piece for kan bom paye se onyame ensi kwan na onfro mampanin ne mpanin for ani se de be ya omo enye gayism lesbianism and the kan on bisexual omo entumi enyi entum ano so enkomo ebenyamre na yentumi edi makacho se ene international water day entinsu a wonom no so onum supa na etumi eboa ye ko ebenyamre na yetumi edi ho so enkomo ewo government decision not to increase salaries disappointing frustrating ene ko University of Ghana National Executive Council akushiemu senior staff association and mo kasa aban na se mfie 9 you were faculty ontum and mo se he aban na nyesa akra na nyesa ira beto no renting bills be cost road here ha ni akra sa aban no ye no ye hu bibi na etumi ebo be nyamre na boss etumi atranse na ye din komo nei ora anane boaten national president e de ma Cocoa Farmers Association of Ghana be join you fia sanso na pra evangelist and so be join here na afi so former KMA presiding member Ibrahim Wodi aka woman and so be join na afi enyamre etumi SRP edi comedy the Michael Nana Atumako say Mike we are live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on Kumawood television channel so like and watch na man for so no enya bi ahwe aseda enkoma Kumawood Training Institute God's Way Casket Shop Bar Center and afi so Tawhid na Tupate Clinic some of the music so asene be dwumadi no etumi ede of course the hottest social political program in your TV is live on CNOP na dwumadi bi koso ewo Sokoban Daban aban no bomoden etumi aye kwan papa ba ko a in fact yewie kwan no a tumi say yes Kumasi de kwan ba ko efepa no ebe Sokoban Daban road no na ekwan de aban no ye na as to so many compensations am ye budan ebi mu dan egu ebi wa kura so mo ya hemanfo mu otumi nti no contract na oduru akobjo oduru a na o de kwan na fo baabi because onu otwi no so ekopie mu ye nkwahwe Sokoban ekwan no se de esi etie ne ho nkomo ye ba ebenyamre ya transi yetimi esinsem no
I say ya wo hwe say Mike from Anuan Kwanta Oko Sokoban new site Anuan Kwanta kwan no na omo ye on secondary school no na ewo akire ho no Kwanta eko Sokoban new site no we there ni guso a hwe nyina omo ye gates ne kama abie kwan num kama enya agrokra ha no ye school no area secondary school no area ho e de kɔ na ase ho nyina ha nyina na kwan na ho omo yi kwan ne kama ase omo wie kwan na menye sure say Sokoban new site ebesen kro bia so wo Kumasi ya say because gates no ne kwan no mu so kama gates no mu so kama ha nyina ye new site kwan no wo de kɔ Wood Village no enti wo hwe ha say ya on say ya twro wo bi hu say yembu because gata no akopem wo no kwan na da nchen no emususa ti omatu gata na kosi wo na chi pepepe se de ebe ya se ya makwan a yebu wo na no ma ye gata na to aso na ye twro ho enye ne se hwan na ebe hwa me yabu se hwan na ebe denti ne yemu ye eno de asem se be yenimu hwe gisempanifo bam wo hwa kwan no aba be pem wo no pepe ya twro ho date ni negu date de twro ho but up to ne still na yembue edaso wo said etie na hanyina ye new site kwan no omo ye kwan ne de omo ye ne yie pa omo biem kama ye gates ne kama na challenges kitua bi ane wo ahai esi kwanum ama se say gates omo ye ne nyina omo jai wo hwe ha omo jai gates no na chi de omo ye gates wo nyina ti po bi esi kwan ne finfin na ECG for aba omu tupo no but yisi for two amupo no ye nim se ombe pene am ye buwo no amaya ba be pem wo no echipe ana the other side SABC gata say ocean baby year dria oh gata no my one aka the next one no be but omonye ama sisia no yehu so mo ba be sisi omo de anua begu a omo be fele so omo awie o so omo nwie yo yenim enti say Mike the adina no minim say de ebe no say ebe nyima me ba so mpanifo no bia ni omo de anua no begu ho bia ni ha anka me bi so omo nsem mienu miensa bi but anya bedru ho de minim say wo hwa gata no a ewo ahase no we first one no omaye baako nti aka second one na ese omode to soro ha na ekwan ni dimu no yese wo ni nti no na nabi panimu bi odimu ewo enti no omutimi emfa omunsa nka a omode anua gu ho a ombe fele o hwe akai ho a na ewurawura gata na se bebu gata no kura agum enti yenim so omo fili omo awie so omo beye enti se Mike ene ye ba sokoban no ene anopai de ye behu wa hase ni enti ni nyina wo ho minim se abir kan say de ubedi hu dwuma pa ahase ya wo hwe se Mike from Anyan Kwanta ukosokoban ni ene omo ye on secondary school no na ewo akire ho no omo ye gata ba akwa school mu na gata we so ene ye main road a free Anyan Kwanta eko sokoban new site no we there ni guso a hwe nyina omo ye gates ne kama abie kwan num kama enya agro kra ha no ye school no area secondary school no area ho
yensan ema makwa ba enti we ekwan a ekoso ho ewo sokoban daban ho ekwan ene ensama kwaso de yichire mu nyina no sokoban daban ekwan no ena mo hwe na yenko omane so na mene assembly member owo sokoban good ibi abako there okay we there tiawa what is the state of sokoban daban kwan no say
me na edika na me share what you go na no ayefo you know when I am say brother na youth minister ba and not for community no municipality that can be a year naka ya see the na ye fear ye no wa ye ye tete na to ni na to omo be ti be road na omo maka dia tinin ko ma trefe en tie nsa eni na abaye to be ni kwan e double road up to Kokobansi na ya tete na be ho na compensation na tie ama ra bo ya dia na ya bonu e ma e ni mera me ka ta be Kokobansi mu ko la ti mo a e me be ko ma ka ni ko ma e bi da e ni wo be ya Sedia na nini tadi meji keni ni ya Muhammad ya ni nje na ni kile da wori ye bia ni wa wakamboka kwa mse ni na nabi jista ana mo nabi jista ana da mo ngwa Brian na ni tete aga na tete ba ni hu ko tare ya e da tete da to ko ya da kala ni ta kan mo da ya kwa ni to ya ha e ni ana ma hu ko tare ya bo ka ya te Ori play ne ko mu go tare da ya be na ma ko ta e kinye ni aka kete ba ko be ti bien wa abon ti ma community mu bi ke ya ti an ba ba ko wa de ene bi e ti e bre bi si da eno won ti ko ne ma mi ma ko ti na to no me be no se e ti aba no ma ba na wo te en tro ni ko mu cha to ti ko ko a ti ko piano ni etcetera
okay but ye musa o ekwan na omo ye no do bia otu se arakopem wo bi na ya divert se ye jaye o se ne se yo wato ho e ho no mo ba ya na se sa no mo
ko bi le no ki na bi o mu di mo no ye wo ma na ba ba e se ye ne ki ya ye na no na me nye ki se mu ni se be de di ne mu ni se ya dia dan dia be ti ya be di ba ki no ana se do when you play a guy, you be a chair and you see a baby. He said, kwan kɛseɛ kɔdu ɛmu akɔdu fie bi mu ne nyinaa yɛ adeɛ a ɛyɛ kɔsisɛfo a ɔyɛ kwan no wɔayɛ doctors na akɔpente na ɔsɛ ɛsɛ yɛ kɛmɛ ɛne fida rose aka abɔ mu a ɔmo ne saa nkurɔfoɔ no ɛkasa yɛtu oyi na adeɛ tu ɛsɛ aban pɔmpɛpɛ tu no yɛkuso a yɛka ho asɛm a ɛdine ne bere yi ayi ɛnim sɛ yɛbɛbi kwan da ɛsɛ aban de ne kwan to anaa kɔntrata ne de ne kwan to bia no abɛnya baabi a
ɔhema no ɛdeɛ no mmabuo afiri hɔ
mepaakyɛw sɛ
ɔhema no ɛwɔ no mohwɛ mo mabuo afiri hɔ
mepaakyɛw ɛyi no ne asasɛmmerɛ nɔmba no merepɔte ma kɛme ɛne sɛ ɔmɔtɔ ne fida rɛdaɛta amɔma ba mmea na nkɔfɔ asɔde aboɔ ɛma ɔmo bɛtu suyɛ ma asɔde aboɔ kyerɛ sɛ saa ɛhɔ no ɛwɔ kwan mu adansi sɛfita ɛyɛ aban deɛ ɛsɛ ɔmo bɛka ho no ɛtumi nea ɛne ɛtie biara ɛno nti na ɔmo bɛhwɛ a ɛyɛ saa deɛ ɛsi ɛyi ti na ɔma kwan no mu da wɔ biara no ɛnim sɛ yɛku sɛ yɛso yɛtuma deɛ ɔbɛfiri hɔ.
Okay. Finally, Minister Baye no our deadline timeline ever to so say bia mo hwe ne mo ankosi da say compensations ne be sha se na yetua mo.
Me talk about the 10 days from there about road to Navy.
Okay.
The 10 days, you know, every other never go to that road. Now, I'm not going to be ministry. But I'm not going to be ministry. Not ministry, you go to Navy. But that's the way I'm going to do my 1 month. Say you would say, other say, you have no 1 city, and not 2 cities. And some of who are and this one, yeah. All the most and that's also people.
Honorable Yana say, de ba e wo mo de pa eboa amasum duaba yana say bibia ni a e be san etu anama ba ho bi sokoban daban ele honorable control watching na mo te ne kan je kwan no so de wa sebo no o so oyo hema de nanso once a o ma hu se ne wo no kwan mu no ebu agu kwan fie kura no a enim se ebedibem yetimi men to so sansan sam sabin sam fo no so se wa to wo na kwan na odu position binti na ka wo na wo kwa wudi kan kwa bu agu kura ansa na kwatata no kwa du ho ehwe na de wo se ye no yetimi aye ama kuroi ene ntuma pa opim so opese yetimi fa kura no yetimi afuso ehwe sinu live on Kumabu TV edika ka che wo se nei yensam no edoso ku fama besie pa wa ha ba ba on fa kokko beans ma ene ye be se bi o de beans bi etimi eba ya honorable evangelist Richard Bra parliamentary candidate former Edman Shayeso and so on. Amana Kwaba. Honorable Kwaba.
Yania, Sir Mike.
Boko dear.
Nyamia, madam.
Good.
Me every minute. Uhumia shall see an affair that may rade, which means now one dear no why ye. Andra ye kodaye, ye sorry, and you be an sorry. Nti Nyame, I am madam Metias, a busiano so be a hoye.
What's a cobain dear? A your constituency.
Yeah.
Now, pursue dear, how many votes? 11,000.
Nya be bro 11,000.
There might be 13,000 votes.
There be 113. Also, when it
11,000 and over. Sir, a client, one who saw a client said is a tier. The issue of compensation, all prayer can want some trouble. And then the nature of the road construction, of course, why says here, amount for wars, a crime, who are deliberately, why there be CC of the compensation team. And then, who be amount will be it didn't know.
Juadai, na mama, senior cocoa farmer, Akwaba may use
national president.
On any packetwa, can't cool no home. I'm from a cocoa growing community. Me will be,
okay.
Me will be, me wondia kakrao. And ye is it, and I, menana, Yamiato and Safreno, or no only cocoa, but me and Casam so may a cacrabi,
That's right.
Yeah, ain't Abema enem komono ayede inhia so asem sokoban asem sokoban na mete matuna sokoban for almost 7 years ni na me call sokoban na family member na kasa en de oka ni nyina ye no kre but de me hu ne se oka bi se omo ye se omo ye demonstration bi I can put my omuntumi nye you see there's that political way say no. We live in a regional, a MPP stronghold. In Shiason, so your MPP. Sokoban edi mu ntintima na say o drive fa Sokoban kromu ho a o re be ho. But you see, I don't want to use strong words. Nipa nan kasa te Sokoban it appears and form ho asam
etuma tena se
ye na ye fa ye ho o de me nkyere wade ba emiru Ghana ha eduma ewu bu ye na emu ye sabo Africa and I can if can ye producers ye copper ko free grip ye process ba ban ni commercial farm and ya kasi ye commercial farm and I go be the ye tosu ni purchasing clerks omo tokoko no de tokoko o de dey answer yan ya so akodu share no no asisi wa no asisi wa bu wa just na yi no de bu eno anu wa wie na cocoa board apa cocoa board and represent Japan on all the cocoa issues and interventions. If the cocoa board are here, the my yen cocoa platform, and they say, on my farm support. That young enemy has so what makes it farm support, no, any your welfare. Cocoa board farm support, no, the my yen. You cocoa near the corner and I'm to the toko. No, my yen, fertilizer are subsidized. We are can say. Wama ya krache fwa wo be maye wama wo mu training wo mu na supervise yemfuo no maye wo efuo o yenua na lie yemfa wo into ha yemfa apart from no aban yen die be no de peye we kokobot for if you mu ka bo so me enu akire no wo je na allowance o ko leave allowance wo je bonus rent any and the other or we are pension we call hospital free you will call clinics be free Ghana hey me yes said that this gas here David now kwase mo be sana enye koko farmers no David ye nka ho David koko fa o be ka kiro za ye farmers so koko bo
right I was here uguso ehesino be live on Kumeu TV afi 2021 budget no Yafonso and the Komasanso and a former parliamentary candidate at the parliamentary candidate hopeful at the evangelist Richard Pratt. And so I heard him say Opoma former KMA presiding member Sabekan now to me at the Encomo. I wouldn't say Masamida for approve budget, you know. Not the end is for and they say the issue of cocoa being said in Tria, and they say they ask you Tria. Mama contemporary the business area some this can and the mojam it's me about you try on your from crack to right back if was
and your road ben and Ajini Pedriano Abosso ya rabbit to say and yare we can foot a read naturopathic clinic at Dudona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic enam homeopathy, naturopathy subetu ya renina efri ho. Yane kofa baye di Madame Katri tonic a bed drama so. E boas yesi ni Pedriano, ni tichu a long time.
Missy, Mia, Obra Pontu Yao. Seven and I am curtain and Yasha Dayon. Your penny as mammy. Seven and a pada. Nam chini yada kai Nansanio that's why we need problem cry who be just some free to buy better Ghana and I'm in a confidential what one and one said to me a in the form so I was bread in the capre or do open a time goes like casket shop I would massy labor higher me call one man I don't want me yes can't say you would have been Jawano Missy the man is a family. I saw a face yes, I mean, ambulance. Nammy some fed everybody done no and come. Ambulance, and you have done only ambulance service into the problem cry. And now, there be the outwas here. You know, so come on, stay by Pramo. You put them cut down. Casket shop here. You will never be to send you moving now. Ghostway Castle Shop, you will come and say, in front of Newtown, you didn't labor office in the bank. Ghostway Castle Shop, we are the dealers in quality local and
Job training. Kumawood
Training Institute. Say dear, ye nimu na ye ko. Ya sanso ade new programs kra na e de ebremo. March mo ne da etoso aduonu enso achia. Eye Saturday a ebe ya. Ye de eda ba ko pe esi ho. A kire wo eniema we su atwam no. Eno na ye kire wo se na esi ede ye nkonya, ede gu ye dem, ye office, ye restaurant, eni baabia. Ye be sanso a kire wo mosquito spray. We fie bia ni ho antuntum nie. Eno ntino ye mo a. Entuntum bia ntimi nka wo. We esase efie bia mu obi firi ho ba na obesua saade we. Esan se entuntum edi enya ye.
Yes, I am Makwaba and Famra Sinopi live on Kumaut television. Yeguso 18 komo. I try kwanya hodo sokoba de na de waso bubu frio na kwano 18 enkosanso na yedi ekokwakuafo so eho enkomo. Almost say enei international water day. Ekuafo a wo man Ghana ye hwedo do no pa percentage wise no. Ba be 60% enyen super enom. You know, free one. I'm a guy who cook cleaners out one. Okay, I forgot one. Maybe Anka, ye Jom Kitwebi near Shawamo. There's in your so and a tier. We are phone come up on 2021 budget. No, in Amre, now yet to me, Eddie Honorable Abraham Wodi, A.K. Upoman, a former presiding member, Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Sanso and yeah, Uguso. Guzo or pimp. Ora Bakodia. And we go switch. And now on the question chambers been an able mobile now. Uncroft say Uncroft we. Yeah. Almost I want to encounter. And now I'm moving women. I'm saying Yankasa crown on me head and tongue. I see a pay one day now.
Sometimes producer when I close society, we leave the stage. We are being anybody go now about soya to the north here. Anybody want to some of the conveners, Akasa said, they should insist, say, Obia ya Jenny dia unya baby ano. And now one girl be a minimum. Or your man baby boss or no could be. I will catch it here. Friends, as Abinchi. But I catch them some funny receipt. I will lead it. Say I didn't see Kabem because the responsibilities are copied. Only me no. But I mean, say assembly no so yen she.
Now, Papa, into me, M1 Sanso, and I will say, well, how center El Kuwait be Eastern region, Escafo Armantem, or no NACU at the Emma Unity FM, 87.7 to Yira. Now, could you go to be with the community FM? I'm going to call Malam Hall 0246-246-647-247 from Malam. Now, to me, and you so. And they extensively, you didn't come out on the budget, but the budget no, they could quick you for a Kuafon Casa or Ghana. I buy no so answer, yeah. And of factor was saying, said a national president take on who are a Kuafono, Mono de Bako, Modia de Anababa, who couldn't be business, Livina, Akokotong, Nanso so. Kakra also and welfare ticket no. Now, yes, and pension fees in here be so a dink on agent Fabra and Yamre and can come join us on Facebook, Kumaut TV, YouTube, Kumaut TV. Opoma, a former presiding member KME or Hassan, so and former parliamentary candidate at the Ma Insurance constituency, a honorable evangelist Richard Pratt, and so I run on it and a national president. My main sign, Emra once, I'm about Mufulu, a queer for. Especially cocoa farmers. Money J. Obrana already budget no.
See. Send you tea on you say a case. Every piano at the senior be run home when you wait to me. I didn't know the body. If you are from when you see my you repair not yada dam.
Yeah, him about.
You want to say the Twaba.
Sinupi, how is Sinupi?
Eh, you cook. You not to a baby pet who be a beam. If you are from fire class, you need to one apple catcher. And it is only okay. I buy no about the cancer or back can be, you know, implementation your problem. Almost at your PNDC law 81. A mandated cocoa board strictly said. We establishing cocoa farmers pension welfare. I include normal baby. your for pension scheme. That is a baby, a baby, by a bunny good Sanchez. Like I say, every court teaching man. At the Father's Day. Media no ban in chief because about it. Nana that way, why in it? We didn't move this out. If we saw 1 night, the media no more around the ET. Then you move from me. Almost I was a officer. Said then, if we saw the say, so be violating constitution, you punish it. And constitution no mandate Cocoa Board, PNDC law 81. Say. Samre no wamano ode onhwese obeye kokobon ay koko farmers na onhwese ode bibi betu eguma council oh sir anti e wo mu dada oh basa me wo enya na good ya be kunu to kwa o na me threats and intimidations are me share no we mu no me nya accept it mean say enya no metro for ya politicians metro so mu gumi nchen won kura to kwa no mutumi nkobi enya ya the pa me council of state for frame adie parliament for frame ni am breeding so if you send a maintain your man say adie na yaka it will be constitution the punish na omu hwe sa bibisa kana abaya abakoni wo nyina wo mabu mo ni eguso enti wo mabu mraso en obi ebu mraso na enti ben wo mu diesel ebesi na maintain ho hwe enti ya kan obeba budget ne de say budget eni ya wa implement ya de na enti kan wo mo be kan no it's easier said than done wo be kan de ba on ye minister ka say na me film passaso Friday no Wednesday Thursday Friday na no en passaso ni enkuru na wo go e kire ho no e busa me nua no because on ma ye sabo on di kan ye shia 2 weeks even 2 weeks ye here but the last day I dey here ni no say scam ama ye be na numuna yɛte yɛ ne bi so mu saka bi ebi nso mu saka ti afei na yɛ to yɛ boase na yɛ feasibility studies na sie mu yi Paris pa dia hwese e peli go ya na yɛ nso yɛ ni ho sɛ yɛ be ma ban bi ayɛ unpopular ana obey no popular baby because na Kufa na se Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association and na cocoa epiafo yi ko ɛnyɛ political sɛ yɛ asɛm no deɛ da hɔ enti me no ma bi hia me die da ho bi ameka eni ona ate se ote se den kura meka me ka bi na be twam tie ka enti ewi a ni nyina me se ye ko
abuja egoso din ko fa ye sebra na enyamre kenkan entimi emfa emaw kokwakuafo one issue la na abeye very topical issue pa no se akuafo no right from last year be October November ya tom kokko beans na ntuaye minister the budget statement indicate say ya sha si twekwa for no eka na aban so last year not cook na kokom na so nkasa so together with what the president of Cocoa Farmers eka here because say they are not okay manufacturer na moyo musa
meda wase na ene being World Water Day you know my figures, I stand to be corrected because the president is here. I want to be educated. Maybe I may make some of Obebuame. But at the end of the day, we must get to a point. I begia to say Ghana as on my cocoa creafo in general ending ye. Minim Bibia and what Ghana has said roads, hospitals, schools. And then apart from gold, cocoa happens to be the next foreign exchange ena eno ne ye bibia enti se ne cocoa kuani eba cocoa clinic na se ye ntumi hwe no nobody knows only any identity card or the two table no so ye be rushia hwe no say hey enam no so na sa japade we sia enti ye ma no security se koko kuyani ba entumi nko university say Kwame Nkrumah na Legon